Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up bill reminders in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money automatically tracks recurring bills and subscriptions from your linked accounts and can notify you before upcoming payments, helping you avoid missed due dates. Right, so to set up bill reminders in this app, you will need to first open the Rocket Money app and then just link the bank accounts or credit cards you use to pay your bills just from here on the frequently linked, or just use the search all situations here and choose a bank, then just enter your account information and then tap the recurring tab. So after entering it, you will proceed to the dashboard, and right there you can see the recurring tab. So for me, my Capital One bank is blocked, so I can't proceed, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So after tapping the recurring tab, review your detected bills and subscriptions, and if a bill isn't listed, tap the plus icon and select add bill or subscription and enter the bill details including the name, amount and next due date, then tap save. So then just tap the gear icon or the settings, the option that you can see right at the top left corner, and select notifications and alerts, and make sure alerts and updates are enabled for push notifications, email notifications, or both. Your changes are saved then automatically. So then you will need to view the upcoming bill reminders. So to see your upcoming bills, you will need to open the recurring tab, view the upcoming section to see bills due within the next 2 weeks, switch to calendar or all to view future or recurring payments and more detail. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.